Hi, my gifted chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to steam some broccoli. What I used to prepare this dish was a nice head of broccoli, a steamer basket, and a pot with water, some herbs, and good old salt and pepper. With that said, let's start cooking. Start off by adding some water to a pot, and then place in the steamer basket. Then, break apart the florets from the main branch of the broccoli head and place them into the steamer basket. They will snap off quite easily with just your hands, or you can use a pair of scissors or a knife, whatever works best for you. Once you've snapped off all the florets and you're down to just the remaining stem, don't throw that out. A broccoli stem is a delicacy. It's almost like the heart of an artichoke. Grab a sharp knife, be sure not to cut your fingers, and discard the bottom end. Look how tender that is, how white that is. Then you're going to trim off the outer husk or skin all around it. And then you're going to wind up taking the tender inner section and you're going to add that to the steamer basket. This is, hands down, my favorite part of broccoli. And I mean, a lot of people hate broccoli. I actually enjoy it, but this is so delicious. Cover the pot with a lid, bring it to a steam, cook for about 6 minutes or till it reaches the tenderness that you like. My family prefers firm but cooked through, definitely not mushy. Remove to a bowl, add your seasonings of choice. Here I'm using a finishing salt. It has a blend of Mediterranean seasonings in it, or eat it plain if you prefer it that way. This is your meal. Make it however you feel. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I am truly grateful for all the love and support. Have a great day. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!